Today we're going to put a transition strip. The underlayment is concrete, and we're trying to figure out how to put the nails in to hold it to the concrete. Now, we tried the traditional nails, which are these, and they bent as soon as we put it in. So that did not work. The idea we have is to use anchors. We marked the strip, and then we're going to put these little anchors in and then screw them in. That seems to be the way to go. We do have metal cement nails, but it's going to leave a rough edge, and it's, we don't want people stepping on those nails. So we're going to give this a shot. That seems the correct way to do it. And obviously on the end of a carpet you should use the other kind of strip like we just took off here, and it hides the nails. But this is an old carpet and we're just trying to, finagle it for now. So here we go. Beautiful. That was easy. Wow. Put a little piece of tape on there so we didn't go too deep, because there are underground pipes. Stick them in, give it a little tap with the hammer. So we get the transition strip in. This is actually not the correct transition strip. This is the style you're supposed to use. But since this rug was kind of tore up already, we'll use this for now. It should work for now, and we'll see what happens.